Bye, Hata Peak. Till the next time. Maraming bato-bato. Yan na naman siya, yung mahirap akyatin. You can see the car na park over there. Finally down, guys. See, we're down. Till our next hiking trip. Bye, Hata.